Ahead lies the atoll of Majuro, district center of the Marshall Islands. An atoll, sometimes called a low island, is a long, narrow island formed from coral rock. It's covered with only a thin layer of soil and has no mountains.
Plus 4, 6, 5. Plus 5. Plus 4 to 5. That's 2. There's reference. There it is. Good luck, though. Left. 3 lights. All 3 are lit. 2 is full.
These are the children of Laura, the village on Majuro Atoll. The rainy season brings heavy rains to the Marshalls every day. This man is making a rope from dried coconut fiber. It's a job that takes patience and skill and can't be done quickly. After the rain stops, the man ties the new rope around a rock and gathers some breadfruit.
Okay.
The Marshallese use their roofs like mountains to catch the rainwater and guide it into storage barrels. In the district center, wells supply most of the water. On most atolls, the main source of water is rain. The Marshallese have always been excellent sailors. In the past, they sailed far across the ocean in outrigger canoes. They also invented the stick chart to help them navigate on long journeys. The shells show the various islands in the district. The straight sticks show the important currents. The curved sticks show the large waves. Only an experienced navigator can make an accurate stick chart. One source of money for the Marshallese is the making of handicraft. In the village of Laura, the women weave floor mats and other items which they sell in the district center. On low islands, the soil is very thin. It's difficult to grow new crops. At the experimental garden in Laura, the soil is thicker and more fertile than most places in the Marshalls. Several times a week, students work in the garden as part of their studies. Here, they learn how to plant, weed, and fertilize new crops. The main product of the Marshall Islands is copra. This is the way the Marshallese earn most of their money. The Marshallese husk and split open the coconuts, dry them in the sun for a few minutes, then place them on a rack to finish drying. The busy Majuro dock is at the opposite end of the atoll from the village of Laura. Large boats, such as the Mieko Queen and the Militobi, are the main connection between Majuro and the outer islands of the district. But Mieko Queen is a privately owned ship. Her main job is to bring copra from the outer islands to Majuro. Here, the copra is sold and prepared for shipping to other marketplaces in the world. The Militobi is a field trip ship. Though she also carries copra, her main job is to carry people, mostly from the outer islands to Majuro. People come on business, for medical help, to shop, or just to visit friends or relatives. Though the Marshalls have no rivers, the people make great use of the sea. Fishing is a source of income to some and an important part of Marshallese life. The ocean is important to the children, too. Their boat is made from a coconut husk with a leaf for a sail. Another pastime for the boys is Anideb. In 1962, a polio epidemic struck and crippled many children in the district. That same year, a treatment center was built at the district hospital for the victims of the epidemic. A few children still come here every week to exercise their muscles, but most of them are well now. Over the years, people from many islands have come to live in the Marshalls, and they have brought their culture with them. This dance has come here from the Gilbert Islands. It now belongs to the children.